All right, got these hand guards from AliExpress. Went with the clear ones as I didn't want the smoke or anything. Comes with a little bit of hardware. Apparently these go right inside the factory hand guards. Eventually I might switch out to some bark busters or something that's a lot better quality and protection, but for now, just a little more wind deflection for your hands, which is nice. We're gonna see how that all mounts up. It came in about 2 weeks, pretty good considering all this stuff's from China. Quality is pretty good. On the plastics, there's the odd little part that's, not smoothed out, and you could really smooth that down if you wanted to. So it's not bad. It probably just where they had it tabbed into something. Yeah, we're gonna see how this looks. All right, we are going to install these hand wind deflectors from AliExpress. So I have taken these off. Basically, there's just one big Torx on the end here and then one small one there, making it pretty simple to remove. Just if you have a couple of Torx wrenches, I guess the bit size on these looks like it's a T50 for the big one and a T25 for the small one. And then they just go right inside. So they actually fit quite well. I'm actually really impressed with that. We're going to install this one on that side. It's going to kind of look like that. We're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so I did notice that this does not fit quite properly. So this spacer actually snugs up with this interior ring. So if you can see, I've got another one here, right here. So if we pull this apart, this piece goes inside, sits in there nicely, and then this piece that sticks over, that actually goes over top and sits on quite nicely and just snugs right in there firm. So you can see it doesn't do that anymore, and it actually pushes this out of it because of the plastic. It doesn't seat in there well. I don't think that's really going to cause us a problem. I'm going to tighten it up and we're going to see how it goes anyways. But just something that I noticed that there wasn't an adjustment in the plastic for. The screw is obviously not going to go in as much, although it feels like it's still getting a really good bite on it, and we're going to snug it up. So I think it should be fine. Okay, we've got them installed. I will say I really do like the look. I think this looks awesome. I'm not sure why BMW didn't do this in the first place, as it does. I'm sure it's going to add a lot more wind protection and bug or rock or whatever else. These, of course, are not truly off-roading hand guards. Bark buster or something like that, you'll have a metal reinforced one, much better quality. However, for a inexpensive wind deflection fix, great. And I do like the look. It fit in there quite well. Tiny bit of gap right here, but right here, but you really can't see that too bad. This did snug up quite nicely. It again isn't as perfect as without it. And we'll just look at the other side. Again, just a tiny little gap right in there. And then, yeah, this snugged up very well. So I'm overall quite impressed. For the money, I think these are a great bang for your buck. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that bell icon and you will be notified every time I make a video. Thanks, everyone.